Baby, I'll be a Michiao Eonyami Dimo. I expose GHFM Bros. Subscribe, share. Many 2 man now I can be. I need Tackie churu. Gamanche. The first. The second. Oh, here, my friend, and I'm a boom. I don't know the and Winyam Abankrai. Now, for the past few days, Nyate another name. Yes, Kumati Security Courts. Almost say Lachebio said they honor the rightful heir. Nam said they're being to me. Now, I come back and fall like channel meditate in videos be but now me person me delve into it. But ni Kentucky churu. The second me hu na bufu da ene me hu na bufu a ogunsa eno your friend in time kesi enko hwemra.
When they want you, I'm a general. Me, that's the only Body. Yes.
I say akola opedamrama ye di ade kokko ne kire no. And me say papa way by his nature or you very calm. Lache way yes why every year be about with allegations. Na then the crowd dey mete say enkrani wolomobi ka say lache no crowd no ne side dey igbe enti onye pure ga indigent ah ye do di ade na ye yie sa na mete ye I stand to be corrected. Na da bia so make bibi say sometimes no your court no insult to court. No, I don't insult court. But sometimes no judgment ni be one man a recipe for chaos. Because lache when him say ono so we samunim lacha wa betena so 8 years ago we ruling Ghana say wa fa hwe ama and ya tutu asam nko an no de bae. And ono asori that time kind of say onye the rightful heir. And then in Kramaya ya way, and then can for omanim abanyam. I made them become as a plain. First, okay, Kraya. No disrespect. But leader no be do him no, and no be show respect. This is the first time I have seen a guy chief. Or yeah, so dignified for the position. Ni Tackie. Niama waye ama position who said the man was built to become a chief. The way he talks, me pamo chow. Lache, don't do this. So we pe gas state na pana go and sit somewhere. Na those who so mo share chire no. And na me krom e kapem e honyo yempa sa won kramamu. Lache, me pa chow. And yes, sir, obey God chief in Kwana, Ubetinia Bibiama gas state. No, this is the man of the hour. Give him that respect. Now, the queen mother singing, I'm the custodians of the land. I'm not seeing. Oma babo so say yet I need Tackie churu echi enkuti omra.
Manyemeni pata abadaye womi manyemeni pata abadaye womi manyemeni pata abadaye womi manyemeni buamehi abaweshon manyemeni buamehi abaweshon manyemeni buamehi abaweshon Manye dingo manye fenye dingo manye adafi chale nyomi banye dingo manye so shine kele bana ye na ka wo himbe etu ka nyo ko si tra mo ni mo ke tasni etu aka wo himbe etu ba ga wo se iko Nestani agbene gomo afa egbe amu mini ni dane gamen ya rewo gamen suwon ko me fa ta flaje e se heko isan wo gbele wo tibe ni wona hen wo ya woni ga ni Tackie de kuchu Kejabene ba na nye chenye na ni bi ni tu kani mi tu mabini nye na pletu eno ne ta se no da nye na pletu eno ne ta se no ni mara pletu kobeto ma ba aja mi enyo si le pe ta se no bini ba ngame sumo ne kobeto mo nya mi pe won pa fa won pa fa isi mo ba tani mambi ile no ni ete no ke no ni ya mo fe mo ye no ni esu ni je na kan wo mba no ba bla mi wo ton ye ni nye na no pote ni ya no ake moko papo ni ga ni moko nye pa ye ja moko papo ni ga ni moko nye pa Waba chebweka Jubilee House. Memale. Yes, waba chebweka ya Jubilee House. Ashishi wajo. Many of them want to fear because of our self-interest. Hey, one pa fight. Ni Adama lache one pa go fight. Onye niji Tackie de kuchu. Eshe hiye. Kela de kobe. Kela chaya ni nechuni. Koka o fale e ban no kokko wapene wo bia to na shi ni wo tani masuma hambi yo ko ne botini ne kane le hanye ye brofo ani ko ni presa na ya tu ni e wo ka edi ka ba wa ko na cha no ma ya bra
Kenani Remo Ayase will be, I'll do the press statement in English. Fellow citizens, members of the media, allies of the Ghana state, guests, ladies and gentlemen, we, the Damanyame Queen Mothers, and Asafwanyame, women warriors, have convened today at the palace to reaffirm and declare in unity and in truth that His Royal Majesty King Tackie II is the only legitimate Gamanche, duly installed according to our sacred traditions and recognized under Ghanaian law. Permit me to give you some historical context. The Ga State has long been a beacon of peace and stability, particularly during the reigns of the late King Ni Amuhi II and Queen Mother Nadede Omedru I. This harmony, however, began to erode during the third year of the reign of King Ni Takitaria III. That period saw increasing unrest, marked by acts of vandalism and attacks on palaces and sacred spaces associated with Ghana leaders perceived to be aligned with the then government. The Gamanche and Manya themselves were not spared. Both King Takitaria III and Na Omedro I of blessed memory suffered trauma and were airlifted abroad for medical care, a void that triggered instability and deepened conflict in our beloved Ghana state. The situation worsened with the unlawful breach of the Ganstool room and the forceful removal of King Takitaria III's belongings from the King's Palace, allegedly aided by politically misinformed individuals and thugs. This act marked a turning point in the erosion of traditional order. It was in this climate that George Tackie, now calling himself Adama, ascended the throne wrongfully, with the backing of land guards, political actors, and security personnel. His claim, however, was immediately challenged by Dr. Kelvin Tackie, his own nephew, who had been rightfully nominated and installed as King Regent in accordance with our Ga customs. King Tackie Tekochu, our king, is the rightful Gamanche. We, the custodians of Ga tradition and guardians of its future, make the following unequivocal declarations. 1. His customary installment is beyond dispute. King Tackie Tekochu II was nominated from the legitimate royal bloodline of King Takitaria III. He was lawfully installed by the recognized Jasi, the kingmakers of Accra, of the Ghana Paramount Stool. He has been gazetted and recognized under the Chieftaincy Act and the 1992 Constitution of Ghana. We stress that no media manipulation can undo what our sacred customs have validly established. 2. King Takitaria II, King Tackie Tekochu II, completed all customary rites prior to his installment. He underwent purification rites in Lungwa performed by the Bobu Lomo. He received blessings from the Teshi Wulomo and solidarity rites from the Lakban Wulomo. Additionally, rites were conducted by other Ghana spiritual leaders, culminating in his ordination and coronation by the Nae and Sakumo Wulome. This full cycle establishes unquestionable legitimacy in accordance with Ghana tradition. 3. It is significant to note that Nadede Omedru II of blessed memory declared him her king. The late Gamanye, Nadede Omedru, the longest serving queen mother in Ghana history, openly proclaimed King Tackie Tekochu II as her king. She described him as comely, calm, clever, civilized, and a true Gamanche. She sat beside him at numerous public functions and never recognized any other king, not Adama. In Ghana tradition, no voice to us speaks louder than that of the Gamanya. And to us, her declaration is final. Under the leadership of King Tackie Tekochu II, the Ghana state has experienced restoration of dignity, unity and stability, enhanced national and international recognition of Ghana royalty, the Ghana state and Ghana people, strategic investment and development partnerships, cultural renewal and promotion of Ghana identity, renovation of schools and expanded scholarship opportunities for youth and adult learners alike. These gains are sacred. We shall not retreat from them. Our king is a king of vision and virtue, and we honor him not only for his legitimacy, but also for his character. He is wise like Solomon. He is noble like King Saul. He is brave and intelligent like David. He is vibrant like Cyrus. And he is God-fearing like Samuel. Our stand today is against falsehood. We reject entirely the propaganda being spread to distort truth and impose illegitimacy. The campaign to install Adama is rooted in falsehood, not in tradition. It is driven by confusion, not by clarity, and entirely lacking in custom or legal basis. Adama, it will interest you to note, has never been inducted into the Ghana Traditional Council, nor was he ever president of the Ghana Traditional Council. He therefore lacks the capacity to be the Gamanche in the Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs, which begs the question of how he obtained his gazette. Perhaps through fraudulent means. This, we believe, calls for investigation. We are unshaken in our resolve. Our call to the Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs and all stakeholders are thus: 1. Uphold truth and custom, and justice over misinformation and delay. Affirm what custom has long concluded. Join us in securing peace and continued progress for the Ghana state. In conclusion, please let all take note. It is not propaganda or social media narratives that make a Gamanche. It is custom, it is ancestral authority and legitimate process. We, the Manyame and Asafwanyame, stand for, we stand with, we stand by, we stand beside our King, His Royal Majesty, King Tackie II.
Queen mothers of the Ghana state, they've spoken. Almost in Suyomo, and they are with their chief. So when kusum and a custom and a mamma almost see him etu hine Queen mothers. This a Queen mothers ni na esi. No almost massa lache ni awoya ni yempa. Me na kamejai. Because at the end of the day, we are all talking for the what? The development of the Ghana states. I don't really care who is in charge. But this man has shown me that he is capable of bringing the Ghana state to a state that me too I can enjoy. Yes. The things that he has done, I have not seen some before. And now I'm sorry, Matter say, need Tackie true or the Assembly Court Supreme Court, the right way to go. Supreme Court, me pamacho mo interpreting here. Na yenina yenya sungwe. Na Ghana belongs to all of us. I Xposed GHF member, subscribe, share. Many two man answer can be manuasi.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.